I have a very good news if you use ChatGPT in your day-to-day task. OpenAI is offering their ChatGPT Go subscription for 12 months for free. Yes, only for Indian users. Although you can work all the tasks in free subscription, but there are advanced features which can enhance your productivity in subscription. Yes, so I'm gonna tell all these steps, but before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you'll get all the latest hiring updates, contest updates, and all the resources which can be very helpful for your placement journey. Okay, so ChatGPT announced only 17 hours ago that they are offering their pro subscription for only Indian users 12 months for free. Okay, so here are all the eligibility criteria steps that you can follow. Okay, and once 12 month is completed, they will charge. So let's check these steps. What are these steps that how you can get 12-month subscription for free? So you just have to visit on ChatGPT on web browser or app, and there you will get the option try ChatGPT Go. Upgrade to for free, and then you have to add your payment. So for payment, either you can use a card or UPI. If you are using UPI, you will be charged 1 rupees. Just set your auto payment before 12 months. Just cancel your subscription. Okay. So I have already upgraded my plan. Like I have linked, so I have now Go subscription for 12 months for free. So you just have to click on the upgrade button. Here you will get, if you are in a free user, you will get the button of upgrade, and then follow these steps, add the payment details, and just you will get the premium subscription for Go. Okay, in that you have many features, like what features you have in upgrade plan. So you will have expanded access to ChatGPT 5, expanded messaging and uploads, expanded and faster image creation, longer memory and context, limited deep search, project task and custom GPTs. Yes. So these features you have in Go plan. Okay. So if you are Indian users, Go, it will be very helpful for all the college students to solve their problems. If you are facing like to learn new things, you just have to give the prompt. It will tell you the roadmap, and it will tell you the resources. You can solve your daily life problem. You can generate cold email templates. Through that you can send uh, recruiters a message that if there's any hiring. So it, you already know how to use ChatGPT, so go and utilize this opportunity. And talking about, if you are looking for placement, I have added all the resources for your placement here. Like you have all the roadmaps, like A to Z placement kit, where I have listed all the resources related to placement, where you can enhance your skills like soft skills, core skills, tech skills, development. And then you have some tool mastery like github, docker, AWS. Then you have a market research tools. With the help of that, you can do market research. Then time management, productivity tool, instant in your profile like project and portfolio. So in A to Z placement kit, I have listed all the resources which can be very helpful for your placement preparation. And then you have other roadmaps like placement roadmap, aptitude roadmap, DSA, system design, and some tech base which is more relevant to placement, which can be asked. Then you have cold email template, then study resource note. Here I have listed all the topic notes, handwritten notes, everything available. Then you have PYQs of many companies. If you need any for particular company, do let me know. You have interview questions of CS fundamental topics, placement related subjects, Spring Boot, Core Java, data engineering, Mon Stack, HR, interview dopes, and many more. If you need, if something is missing, do let me know. Then you have 3000 plus startup list here. Okay. So you have all the list, just click any of that and you will get all the list where you can visit their career portal, LinkedIn profile, and ask referral through employees. Okay. Interview experience section, where you have 40 plus companies interview experience. You will get the real idea what type of question can be asked. Explore all these resources. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, do like and comments. It will motivate me to bring more videos. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.